I am turning on the Regrsi RE-NY060 Neckband. But when I tried to connect it to my laptop, the neckband device is not showing up on my laptop. If the neckband is not showing up on the laptop, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure the neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, charge it for 20 minutes. After charging the neckband, try connecting it to the laptop. If the neckband is still not showing up on the laptop, make sure the neckband is connected to another phone. If the neckband is connected to another phone, unpair it from there. The neckband device is showing up on laptop. Now connect it. The neckband is now connected to laptop.